Have you ever heard of the law of attraction? The law of attraction simplified is gratitude. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the Happy Planner as a gratitude journal. Hi, I'm Katie. I help busy people get organized and stay focused by using a daily planner. For weekly videos about planners and accessories, productivity, organization, and success, subscribe to the Planner channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every weekend. If you haven't read the book, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, or watched the movie, I highly recommend watching or reading it. It's all about changing your outlook on life to look for the things you want to see and happen in your life. So the simplified version of that is to create more gratitude within yourself. And the easy way to do that is to create yourself a gratitude journal. I try to keep it very simple, very easy. It only takes me a minute a day, and this is how I do it. For 2018 and 2019, I decided to use the Happy Planner Classic Size Agate design because it's, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at it. It has this, all these nice colors and gold foil. It's just so pretty. And I like to put a matching folder in the front just because I like it. And then what I do is on each day, since this is a vertical planner, but it's not lined, it's got 3 boxes for each day. And so what I do every morning, I take a minute and write 3 things to be grateful for each day in my planner. And that's it. It's simple, it's easy. It gets your mind focused on gratitude, and all these things to be grateful for add up over time. If you use a gratitude journal, type yes in the comments below. So let's look at tomorrow. This is one of the easiest things that I do, and takes the least amount of time. I like these Papermate Flare. These are the medium tip. The ultra fine I actually like better, but these write kind of thicker, a little more color. And this is how I do it. I write something to be thankful for, something to be grateful for, and something I love each day. So let's say this week, I can probably guess what mine are going to be tomorrow on Monday. This week we have Thanksgiving, so I'll probably be grateful and thankful for my family, time to spend with them, and to be able to enjoy a great meal. And then whatever I'm feeling the love for at the time, that's what I'll write in there. And that's it. It's a simple way to just develop your gratitude for what's in your life and to bring those things to your attention. Now, you don't have to use the size planner. You could use any planner, and you might want to do this first thing in the morning. You might want to do it at night. You can use a mini planner. You could write one thing to be grateful for or something you're grateful for from that day. All of that will accomplish the same goal of being grateful. Are you ready to create a powerful plan for your life? If you are, click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.